Formula 1 isport inoitwa zvemaraces emota, and this racing series ndiyo iri pamusoro panyaya dzecar racing in the whole world. Vanoshandisa mota dziri very fast. Mota dzavo dzinokwanisa kuricha maspeeds of about 370 km/h. Kuti formula, it just comes from mitemo yavanopa mateam ese that compete in this race. Mitemo iyi ndeyekuti maraces ave fair for the teams that participate, and they are also there for safety yemafans nemadrivers in the events yekuti panenge paitika crash, so that everybody is safe. But even though they have these regulations, Formula 1 is still very dangerous because, like I said, these cars, they travel at very high speeds. So in comes the man anonzi Romain Grosjean, anova driver akaita crash murace muFormula 1 muna 2020. At the time he was 34. Anga ane 179 races dzaanga akamboita kumashure, and he had managed to be on the podium for 10 times. Chero ake, he was a very good driver in Formula 1. Grosjean agara anga ari munhu aizivikanwa kuti aida family yake. For him, mukadzi wake nevana vake with number 1. Formula 1 was number 2. So this Grand Prix, which is just a fancy name for a race in Formula 1 muna 2020, raitirwa mucircuit Grosjean maakatangira career yake in 2009. So when the 5 red lights went off, race ichitanga, every driver was excited, every driver aida kuwina. So watch carefully muone zvakaitika pakaitika crash. Mota yake yakatsemuka nepakati, moto uchibva watanga kubvira, iye arimo akagara pasiti rake. Aisatombooneka through the fire kuti where is the driver. All people could see was the flames of fire surrounding the car. So generally pakaitika crash during a race in Formula 1, there is always a team of rescuers waiting kuti vanobudisa driver anenge aita crash, then waita make sure kuti he is fine and the track is also fine for the remaining drivers to race on. So Romain paakaita crash anoti akatry kubuda mumota akatadza. At the time, he had not yet realized kuti he was in fire, like literally. Aingofunga kuti angoitawo crash iri general. Saka akangofunga kuti let me just wait for the rescue team to arrive and come and rescue me. And everybody was thinking kuti the man was dead because the car was engulfed in flames. But then akazoona kuti ndakakomberedzwa nemoto. After aona magloves ake achibvira, then he looked in the sky akangoona red akati no. Race iri tanga tichirita manheru, there's no way kuti zuva rabuda nguva, it means kuti I am under fire. At that time, he says kuti he thought about Niki Lauda.
To me, it's funny, is the driver that I love the most to history of Formula 1. And I said, no, I can't finish like Niki, can't finish like this, cannot be my last race, it cannot be my last race. So I try again, I'm stuck, and then
Niki was another driver, Formula 1 driver, who was once involved in a fire accident some years back, but Niki managed to survive the fire accident. So Romain is the driver waakafunga at that time. Akati kana Niki akakwanisa kusurvive, I can survive too. So he made another attempt yekuti atry kubuda mumoto, but then anga akatsimbirirwa, so akatadza kubuda. Then akazoti agara pasi akati akabva afunga about vana vake. Then that's when he told himself kuti no, handisi kuzofira panapa nhasi.
Get my brain, try to find another solution. I thought about my kids and I said no, I cannot die today. For my kids I cannot die, I've got to see them. And then I had the idea to twist my head like this, go up and turn my body, and it works.
So once he had that, it's a testament to the will to live. Pese paunofunga kuti wapererwa, rangarira kuti mumwe akabuda mumoto, ramba uchiedza.